Julia Quillisi. I was the summer intern at IXRF Systems. I'm a rising senior at Vanderbilt University in Nashville, Tennessee, with a major in mechanical engineering, a double major in communication of science and technology, and a minor in engineering management. Yeah, so I think the skills and knowledge that I gained fell into two sort of intermingling but still distinct categories. On one side, I got a lot of practical experience with data processing for specific purposes, so taking client expectations and customer requests and utilizing that to process the data and give it to them in an effective and concise way. I was really grateful for the experience that I got in that regard of directly interacting with people who didn't have the same background with the machine that I did, so practicing those technical translation skills and the similar things in that realm. But on the other side, I was very grateful to everybody in the production department who gave me a pretty solid crash course in machine shop skills and hand tool skills and best practices for using power tools and wrenches and drills and all sorts of things. They taught me a huge amount about safety, about protocols, and just about inventory management and all of the systems that go into the background of a functioning workshop that I'd never been taught before. So all of those things, I'm sure as I continue on an engineering path, both of those are going to come in very useful, whether that's working on my senior design project upcoming this year, or whether I'm directly interfacing with potential future customers, clients, bosses, colleagues, all of that. Well, one of the things that I definitely took away from this summer is how important it is to have a company where everybody cares about the work that they're doing. The fact that IXRF was so small means that everybody in the office was 100% in on every project that we were working on, and that kind of teamwork and culture really meant a lot to me and made the work so much more meaningful. So that's something that I'm going to continue to look for in any job that I have. Well, one of the things that I definitely took away from this summer is how important it is to have a company. In terms of growth, I think I did a lot of learning skills. That was one of the main things is, just picking things up on the fly, learning the software. I've never used the Atlas software before the summer, so learning how to use that, how to process the data. So I'm going to be graduating Vanderbilt in 2 or 3 semesters, and at this time I don't have any plans to go to grad school just yet, so I'll be entering the workforce. So hopefully in the next 5 years I'll be working at a company that I love, doing work that's meaningful to me, and IXRF has shown me that that is possible and achievable, and has set the standard for what I could be doing. Yes, I would definitely consider returning to IXRF. I absolutely loved it here. My time as an intern just showed me how much more there is to learn, and I love the team, I love the people, I love the work, so maybe someday in the future I'll be back. I had a fantastic summer. I absolutely love this internship. It was genuinely some of the coolest things I've gotten to experience as a young engineer. I'm really grateful for everybody who stepped up to help teach me, and for everyone who showed me, what they were working on, how they were doing it, everyone who gave me advice about, things to focus on in school or ways to improve as an engineer or as a scientist. I just want to thank everybody at the company for everything that I was taught.